Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today you are going to learn about boron family in p block element. The p block element consists of group 13 to 18. Group 13 to 18. Now we are going to learn about the group 13 boron. The first element of this group is boron. So, the entire element can be represented as boron family. So, the general electronic configuration of this group is Ns2 Np1. So, in the outermost orbital there are 3 electrons in their outermost orbital. So, the oxidation state of in this group is +3. So, the highest oxidation state of this group is +3 and in this group there are post transition element. These are all called post transition element. They are next to the post transition element. They show the stable oxidation state less than 2 when compared to the oxidation state of the group. So, the oxidation state of the group is +3, but the post transition element can show +1 oxidation in their stable configuration. And next there are the different types of element. Boron is non-metal and these are all metals, and the boron can be found as a borate, and then aluminum is found in the form of oxide form, that is well known as bauxite ore, and then the gallium, indium and thallium are found in very least percentage. And the while see the melting point, the gallium has very low melting point, about 29 degrees centigrade. So, in room temperature the metal can exist as a liquid, and then the thallium as toxic in nature, toxic, so that there is no commercial use for thallium. So, today next we are going to learn about the element called boron. Boron can be found as a borates. Boron can be found as a borates, and now we are going to learn the reaction of boron with acid and alkali, and it does not react with halo acids. Halo acids means halo acids, the halogen derivative of organic acid. Suppose the organic acid acetic acid, the halogen derivative is chloroacetic acid or dichloroacetic acid. So, it will not react with the halo acid, and it can react with the oxidizing agent, that is mineral acid. It reacts with the mineral acid such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid. It reacts with acid to form boric acid. Boric acid as the product along with sulfur dioxide is eliminated as gas. And next reaction with nitric acid, again the boric acid is the product and nitrogen dioxide is eliminated as gas. So, the boron react with acid, react with oxidizing acid such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid to give as a product as what? Boric acid, H3BO3. The formula for boric acid is H3BO3. In the same way, another oxidizing agent nitric acid gives again the same product boric acid H3BO3. And next reaction with alkali. The alkali, well known alkali is sodium hydroxide. The well known alkali is sodium hydroxide. it reacts with sodium hydroxide to give sodium borate. Sodium borate as the product. So, it reacts with alkali. The alkali, well known alkali is sodium hydroxide NaOH. Boron react with sodium hydroxide to give sodium borate. Reaction with acid, it gives boric acid, and react with alkali, it gives sodium borate. Next, we are going to see the uses of boron. So, the boron can be used as an absorbent of neutron. So, absorbent of neutron. So, the nuclear reactions are very fast reaction. So, it emits neutron. So, it absorbs to control the nuclear reaction. Boron helpful in absorbing neutron, and boron 510, isotope of boron 510 is used as a moderator in the nuclear reaction. Moderator, it is used as a coolant because it is an uncontrolled reaction. It emits enormous of heat energy. To control the heat energy, and boron 510 isotope is used as a coolant. And next, amorphous boron is used as rocket fuel igniter. It is used to ignite the fuel in the rocket launching. And next, boron is essential for in the cell wall. So, in the cell wall, one of the mineral required for the formation of cell wall of plant is boron. And the compound of boron have many application. It is used in eye drops and as antiseptic. Even in our wounds also we are using the white powder called boric acid that prevent from the virus, and then washing powder, and the boric acid and borax. This is the antiseptic, and eye drops the boric acid and the borax washing powder. And in the use of Pyrex glass. Pyrex glass means they all have low thermal expansion. Low thermal, the property of Pyrex glass. Why here they are mentioning not glass as Pyrex glass? The Pyrex glass has a property low thermal expansion. On heating every matter can expand. If the glass can expand means the crack may happen. So, that the Pyrex glass has low thermal expansion, it will not crack on high heating. So, that the laboratory apparatus are made of what? Pyrex glass, that we can note down that as borosilicates in the apparatus in test tube burette. You can see that borosil. That borosil is nothing but made of Pyrex glass. So, the boric oxide is used in washing powder. So, these are all about the compound of boron. So, in the next class we will see the compound of boron. Thank you.